We're sitting here in the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics, LASP, at the University of Colorado. And the goal of LASP is to understand the universe around us.
MAVEN is the Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution experiment. It is a mission done under the SCOUT program of NASA.
The goal of the mission is to try to understand the history of water, the history of the atmosphere. All of the missions we've sent to Mars tell us that there's been liquid water flowing over the surface, yet Mars is a cold, dry planet today and isn't able to support liquid water.
MAVEN is the largest program ever undertaken by any institution within the University of Colorado at Boulder. It really represents a major achievement as far as programmatic involvement for an institute like LASP.
What we're doing is a bizarre thing of looking at the top of the atmosphere, the thinnest part of it, as a way to understand the history of the geology, the history of the potential for life on Mars.
Principal role for the team here at LASP has been scientific leadership and significant involvement in the management and development of the program in cooperation with NASA and Lockheed Martin.
We also built 2 of the science instruments, and we're doing the science operations and leading the education and outreach activities.
We arrived at Mars and a comet came by and completely disrupted the environment.
And what we discovered was how much dust it was throwing at Mars. And that dust hitting the atmosphere at 56 kilometers per second created a new layer in the ionosphere. We've also discovered aurora on Mars, like the northern lights here on Earth, and a cloud of dust surrounding Mars at orbital altitudes where we didn't expect to see anything.
We're going to continue to operate as long as MAVEN has the ability to return data. As with most good science, we will raise new questions. There will be new issues that come up because of the discoveries we make.
The upper atmosphere may be the single factor that dominates the history of the climate and therefore the history of life. So we want to understand that.
I think we're going to use this to motivate the entire world's future exploration objectives for Mars and the other planets.
One of the goals of NASA is to have a human exploration mission to Mars, human expedition. And it's a way for people to reach out into the universe, to go out into the solar system and go beyond the bounds of the Earth. It's an incredible opportunity.